Hey everyone, Josh here with Fresh Start Customs, and today we're going to be showing you a rotary tool engraving of these tumbler cups here. Made this cup for my wife, bought it from Dollar Tree for $5. You can get them pretty cheap. We're going to be using the M1 laser engraver today just to show you that it's possible. I was going to try and show you the full setup, but I lost some footage and I lost audio in my screen recording, so I managed to still have the video of this engraving. So that's all this video is going to be today, is showing you it's possible, what it looks like. So we're going to be going from this to this here. I added one of my pandas from the panda army that I made for my wife. If you haven't seen all of those, my next video I may just do like a real quick video of like a screen recording showing you all the different artwork on those and what those look like. But yeah, it is possible. It works great for the M1 here. I'm going to show you guys this actually engraving in the rotary tool in the machine. One thing that I should have done differently is if I could get this to be level, because this cup tapers off. There's a little bit of a haze up top. Not bad. Still looks great. But I based it off on the highest point here. I should have backed it off just a little bit since it tapers. But this still looks great for a first shot in the M1. And I'll show you guys a close-up footage of this here at the end of the video so you can see what it looks like. All I did was use a paper or a tissue to wipe it off, wipe that little black soot off. I haven't used any like magic eraser or LA Awesome. I know a lot of people say that. I may do that here later. But so far this looks great. It looks like it matches the top here. So let's go ahead and get into the engrave. I'll fast forward that so you can see it in the machine, that it actually works on the M1. And then I'll show you the close-up footage of this at the end. And I hope you guys enjoy the rest of the video here.